Hi friends, as you can see, my pets are really happy in my living room, but they are, putting some stains in my sofa, as you can see here. We even have to clean it with these machines, but I finally found this sofa cover that I'm going to use so my pets can, yes, Milo, so my pets can continue to use and enjoy the sofa, but they won't make it dirt, okay? This cover comes with all the accessories to install it in the sofa so it won't move. You get user instructions, okay? And you can buy it in different colors. We chose this color because it goes nicely with my sofa color, okay? So it's so easy. You can see it fits, and let's put these accessories are for so it won't move, okay? Like this. Okay, so you use these anti-slip foams in the sides of the sofa so the cover will stay in place, okay? So if you have pets and you want them to enjoy your living room, your sofa, and you want your sofa to stay clean for when you get any visitors, this is a great option. Fast to install, fast to get rid of it when you have someone visiting, or you can even leave it like that and have your party with it. So you can see the dogs can enjoy the furniture, but they won't stain it. Perfect. Let's put the final decoration on it. As you can see, the final decoration will make it look even prettier. So if you have pets, if for any reason you want to protect any furniture, these covers are a great option. Thank you.